Ajiki. This is a child to be daily paid homage to. Ji means to wake up. In this context, it means to wake up early. That is, to do something early, to do something as a matter of priority. And the word ki means to greet or to pay homage to. And Ajiki is therefore that child who is so important, so valuable and highly esteemed that the whole family prioritizes paying homage to the child. We greet you as a matter of urgency. We do it very early in the morning because you deserve it, because you are worth it. Ajiki is the child we daily pay homage to, the child we regularly greet. Ọmọ tá ń jí kí bí orí, our Ori is so important that it is also called Ajiki. To therefore call a child Ajiki is to equate that child's importance with that of Ori. This is therefore a unique child, a child of destiny, a child of bright glory, a child of pleasant future, a child of pleasant existence, the child to whom homage will be paid to regularly and as a matter of priority. Ajiki. Wàá Ṣere.